Okay, hello everyone. Let me tell you how the business works, recharge and gets paid, and then we will talk about earning money daily, how money is entering your account per second, even while you're busy doing your other things. Now, I want to log into the recharge and gets paid account. You click on Google Chrome, then okay, you click on rechargeandgetspaid.com. Okay, it brings you to the site where you click on this three line and then click on login, and then you put your username, that's my username, and then the password. Okay, all right, and then you log into the account. Now when you log into the account today, now just imagine, don't worry about the 14 million, just imagine I have 200 and something thousand naira. Wow, and money is still entering the account. Let's do it this way. As I'm talking to you now, money is entering my account. That is the beauty of the business. Now you look at how to recharge your phone. If you have a portal, if you have a bank portal, you see that you have recharge, you have DSTV, cable subscription, my transaction. This is how the bank portal is, and this is how your portal should be. Now once you have the license, they create this account for you. Now the next thing is, whenever you want to recharge, you just recharge your phone. You click on recharge. You want to do your DSTV, you want to do your cable subscription, you just do it and it start working. Now as I'm talking to you now, money is entering my account. Let's click on my transaction. Okay, my transaction, let's go there. You see money entering, this is today's date. This is today's fourth. This is fourth. Look at how money is entering the account, and it's always enter. You look at, let's click on the second one, let's see. Then look at the second one again, money is entering. Look at how money is entering. Look at and that this is how the money keep entering into my account. Today is fourth. Even if I click on the fifth one, it's still going to be today. All right, look at how money is entering the account. This is how the business is. Even if I don't want to do anything, money keep entering my account. Now if you want to recharge your phone, you click on this three line here, then you click on recharge. All right, then you put the phone number. Okay, let's go with this. All right, and then let's put amount. Okay, let's click on, let's say amount is let's take the amount, let's take something like 1,005. Then you put your pin. Okay, all right, then you click on transfer. Okay, you can see it's successful, and then I receive it. That's how to recharge your phone. If you want to do your DSTV, it's very simple. Just click on the cable subscription, then you choose the pay subscription. Then you click on, is it GoTV, is it StarTime, is it DSTV, whichever one you click, you will see, you put your smart card number inside, then you select the amount you want to pay for, then you pay. It's very simple, but this is not my interest. My interest is why people are doing it. You are seeing percentage for life, and that is what, like now you see money is entering my account, money is entering, and it's always enter. All right, so okay, so owning a VTU portal, as people bank are recharging their phone, as you're recharging your phone from bank, our bank is making all this money, and you are the one that's supposed to be making all this money. So we build it together where you can offer people the opportunity, and you're making money daily for life. That is what the system is all about. It's massive, and then you can make millions in a day as you build the system. It's very easy by giving people opportunity to open the portal. If you go to bank, now bank will tell you open a portal, open a bank app, so that you can be recharging your phone. Whenever you do that, they're making money. Now it's your turn to do this as well. So it's very simple. The business is practical, and that's how the business is. Now come back to the main business. Thank you.